Yeah, hi, it's Jill from Top Shelf. Today we're going to look at Contreat's S250 grinder package, one of our biggest sellers for the guys doing the smaller sort of jobs. Great, nice, aggressive machine. Also good for taking out those short and sharp sort of humps, which the bigger machines sort of jump around a little bit too much. So S250 grinder, 10-inch 250 round, the 60-litre separator. One of the keys to this package to stop a lot of your dust getting back to your dust extractor. So starting with the grinder, key features, nice, easy, removable discs. You can either use the premium disc, or we can also supply a conversion plate, which then you can add the quick change segments to it. So nice, easy button on the back here, lock that in, and then you can use your tool to undo your disc and replace those. This is your standard one, your shroud, which will keep the dust in, gets to about 20 mil from the wall. You can also take that off. That just clips off, just flexible rubber. And then this one here can go on. Just has to go over those little 10 mil tabs, pretty easy. That then will allow you to get much closer to the wall with that little bit of a cutout there. So another great feature. So what we also have here, as you're starting to wear through your grinding segments, you've got a little bubble here to make sure that you're actually cutting straight. And that can be adjusted by loosening this back locking mechanism, doing the lever, watching your bubble. You can lock that off again, and that's good. On the back here, you've got your dust extraction pickup. Depending on what size hose, we've got different types of couplings that can slot onto here, and then you'll pick up all your dust. So great dust extraction, keep your job nice and clean. You've got your heavy duty plug here. Another key feature with these machines, because they are chewing a fair bit of power, you want to use a good heavy duty extension lead, preferably a 2.5 mil. That way you don't get your voltage drop, which can trip out your circuit breakers, especially the older homes. And also the heat from the lead transfers back through to your control unit, back through to your actual motor. So heavy duty leads is another really key feature. You've got your emergency stop and your start on here to get it going, and then you've got an overload on here. So if the machine does get loaded up too much, this is your first thing you check, is your overload hasn't tripped or you haven't bumped your emergency stop. Short of that, the last couple of features, you've got a water reservoir here. So if you do want to actually cool down the actual diamonds a bit, and if you can use water, it'll definitely make it a bit more aggressive as well. This little lever here, that will adjust how much water feed comes down through the hose and into that part of the grinding setup. So pretty simple machine, very robust. When you are using it, you really are moving it side to side, particularly when you're actually trying to remove glues, especially your pressure sensitives. Don't just bury it in the middle. It's going to load up the machine too much. So you really want to work one edge and just keep working your way through, you know, moving it from side to side. You've also got adjustable handles here, depending on what height you like to use it. And also for good storage, particularly in the back of the vans, swing it right around. That way 2 guys can lift it nice and easy, or you get yourself a couple of ramps. So yeah, they've definitely done a lot of good research and kept improving a lot of the features with these machines. We've sold a real lot of them and very few callbacks. good robust machine. So yeah, definitely worth adding to your floor prep equipment. The next machine in the line is the separator, which we've been running these for a lot of years on both timber machines and also concrete grinders. So your hose always comes out this side one, which then will go to your actual hand grinder, 250, 460, whatever size grinder you've got. And then the top outlet will go to your actual dust extractor. So once again, different fittings depending on what size hose, what size dust extractor you do have, if you haven't got the whole shark range. And then these here, they can just screw on, and you've just got different fittings. A quick release type setup, so it just makes it a bit easier. The key to these setups is, rather than the dust coming straight in and getting straight back up the hose, it creates like a centrifuge type effect, and that will allow the dust to sit on the bottom, and that way you're probably going to pick up 80 to 90% of your dust actually in this unit. And then if you just let these go half full and then empty it, that will actually stop this machine. The filter's getting blocked, not using the bags as much, and you're not having to stop as much to actually clean filters. So this is the key for me. It's the cheapest one out of the whole lot, but this can allow you to actually use other vacuums for smaller jobs and get you to the next level, and definitely save you a lot of mess. Just remember, out of the top into your dust extractor or your vacuum, out the side to your machine. So really good unit. Locking wheels and nice easy clips on the side. So great setup. The next machine is the Shark H17 dust extractor. This year they've upgraded these from a H12 to a H17. So it's gone from a 1200 watt motor to a 1700 watt motor. A really good powerful unit. Can definitely handle the 250s, and for short term, some guys do use them on bigger grinders. So the features with these is they've got 2-stage filters. Inside here, we've got your standard filter, which is your cone type filter, which you can clean out either by banging on the ground, another vacuum. And then in the back here, this is the key to it, and this will be part of the Australian standard soon, is the HEPA filter. Some states you can't get on the construction sites without the HEPA filter, so definitely worth looking at these as a bit of an upgrade, and you're probably going to need them soon. So nice and easy to clean. Once again, clips on, and every 5 or 10 minutes, what you need to do is pull this lever up, purge it 5 times. That will then allow the Longo bag setup for the dust that's sitting in the bottom here to fall into the bag. And then what you do then is, because it's got the hole here, knock that down. That will then allow the dust to continue to come through here. So another big feature, really important thing, is to make sure you do keep manually purging these. So these filters don't block up. These start blocking up. Then what happens is you start burning out motors just from lack of maintenance. So keep this half full, regularly purge this, clean the filters. These guys come with a bag of cable ties with them, with each set of Longo bags. As this is filling up, just pull it down, and then once it's a decent sort of small soccer ball, gather it at the top, put 2 cable ties about 100 mil apart, cut it off, dispose of that, and you've got a heap of bags in here. So big nice continuous bag setup. You've got your on and off switch on the side here, you've got your hour meter here, and this will also tell you how your filters are going and how much suction you do have, which will be a good indicator as to how clean your filters are. So it comes with the wand and the vacuum head that come with it. So once you have finished grinding, you can then just grab your vacuum, your standard sort of 2 poles and the head, and that way you've got a nice clean job site for both your health and for the actual the customer itself. So these also come in a few extra sizes. There's a H17, the H24, which is our next biggest seller, and then the H36. So it goes from single motor, double motor to a triple motor. And same with the separators. There's another upgrade on those which can take bags. Then they also come with another setup with the Longo bags as well. So reach out if you want to look for larger size packages and we can put something together for you. So Contreat have really got this shark range. It really does a lot of homework, and they really do have a great product range and a good product. So yeah, please reach out if you've got any questions and we'll put something together for you.